Welcome to my channel once again. So I'm David Ray. So a quick one. We've been hearing different videos, different talks about this an AI, a new AI in town that is able to just do anything for you. So the name of the AI is called ChatGPT. So what does this AI do? This AI is customized to do a lot of things. A lot of things you can use this AI to do. And so I will be taking this AI into the lines of freelancing. So how do you use this AI to help yourself in the freelancing career? So as a freelancer, you work on Fiverr, you work on Upwork, you work on different freelancing sites. So how can you use this AI to be of an advantage to your freelancing career? So now I've used this AI to do different things. I've used this to create myself description for my gig on Fiverr. I've used this AI to create proposal, as well as I've used this AI to create resume for myself and a lot of things. You can simply use this AI to make a service for yourself. Maybe you're a content writer on a freelancing website like Fiverr or Upwork. You can simply use this AI to generate content for yourself. If you're a student in school, you can use this AI as well to get your assignments done. If you're given an assignment in school, like get many of something, this AI can really help you to do a lot of things. So don't let us just keep talking. Let's see what this AI can do. So I will go to my Google search box and type ChatGPT. So once you click this ChatGPT, so you can see the second line which says ChatGPT optimized language and others is an AI app. So going on to ChatGPT, you can see the open AI. So it says ChatGPT optimizing language models for dialogue. So now, when you want to start using this ChatGPT, so sometimes people do face a lot of problem launching this website, going onto this app because the traffic on this ChatGPT are very much more than when it was being created in this month, January year 2023. So once you go on to clicking try ChatGPT, it will lead you to this page. So before it leads you to this page, if you have not signed up before on ChatGPT, it will ask for you to either log in or sign up. So as you know, you are using a new account, you have to sign up, and if you have your account already existing, you have to log in. So I've used this app to write different things, ask different questions, and I got the right answer. So now let's dive into it. Now, as a freelancer, you are writing a gig. You're looking for one of the issues we do face as a freelancer when you want to uh, operate on let's assume a Fiverr account. You're trying to create a gig. Once you get to the description, you find it more difficult, stressing, more like you're being stressed of maybe creating gig, writing description, getting content for your description. So you are the type that don't want to always copy gig description from other freelancers. This AI is here to help you out. You can go onto this AI, get your description, and also you can rewrite this description to your own taste. If you don't want the the content, the English being used by the AI for you, you can simply go onto the to other sites like the spin boats, wheel boats to rewrite this kind of content. So now let's do a quick one. So uh, I'll tell this AI to write me a gig, a Fiverr gig description. Write me a Fiverr gig description on based on my service. So I'm into e-commerce e-commerce service. So I'm selling Shopify website and marketing. So let's first go on with Shopify store development. Let me say I'm writing a gig description on Shopify store development. So write me a 5 gig description on Shopify store development service. So I click enter. All you have to do is just hold on. So can you see it gives you the call to action? It gives you uh, those things you need in your gig for you to convince your buyers to get your service to their own use. Can you see? It's giving you an assurance. Can you see what this AI is doing? It lists everything for you. See a perfect description being written by the AI for you. So as well, you can just copy this, you can write it, go to Quillbot or Spinbot. It's a free website for you to spin your content and rewrite it another English or in another form. You can just go into Spinbot or Quillbot. So another thing is, as maybe you're facing issue with proposal, you don't know how to compose a proposal based on your service you're rendering. So you can just say write, or you can say compose a proposal on Shopify store development to buyer, convince buyer. Can you say, dear client, I'm writing to propose my service for the development of. Can you see how this AI is just of help to you? This AI is trying to just tell us you can get different things done easily as a freelancer. So if you are the kind of person that you don't know anything, you don't have any idea on freelancing, and you want to start a freelancing job, you want to start a freelancing, you want to earn as a freelancer, you can make this AI to your own advantage. How do you make this AI to your own advantage? How do you make it to your own advantage? So what I would advise you to do is, when you have different ideas running in your mind and you want to make use of this AI, so make sure you use this AI to your own advantage for you to make money as a freelancer online. So you can use this AI for different things, for different things to give you an answer to it. So let's a quick thing. Maybe you are trying to write a code. You are trying to write a code. To those people who write codes, can just simply ask this AI to write you a code. That's the work of this AI. That's the uh, extent to this which AI is being built. You can simply ask this AI to write you a code on a uh, particular niche. Maybe you are just trying to, as a developer, you are trying to write a code on maybe a website or other things. You can just ask this AI to just develop a code for you. So I'm not a developer, I don't write code, so I don't have much idea on what I can ask this AI to write for me. So I can just, with my little basic knowledge, I can just ask this AI to a simple, write me a simple website code. Write me a simple website code to sell a product. Can you see? Can you see? So it gives me this CSS code. Yeah, it is an HTML actually. I think it's an HTML from what I can see here. It's an HTML code. You can ask this AI to write the code you asked here. To write it, you can ask this AI to rewrite the code for you in another format, either CSS or in Python or in Java. So that's what this AI simply does. So I can just write write me the code in Java. Okay, can you see now? Now I told you I'm not a developer. So I'm not a developer. So this is what it told me. It said it's not possible to fully rewrite the previous HTML code in Java. So this AI, what I'm basically trying to explain to you is what this AI can do. You can see this AI corrected me in the coding line to let me know what I can write and what I can get, what I can get and what I can get. So if you are new to coding, you are trying to write a code. So this AI can help you assist in your coding career, being a developer in your developing service. If you want to be a developer or you have the idea of developing already, it can assist you to do a lot of things. So my advice to everyone as a freelancer is make this AI to your own advantage and don't let it break you, because this AI is already built and this AI will affect a lot of jobs, affect a lot of businesses, and or would definitely affect a lot of businesses. So my advice to you is to make use of this AI to your own advantage, to use it in earning money online. And basically I'll be using most of this AI to do most of my YouTube channel video to teach you how to use this to make money online. Especially we'll be using this uh AI called ChatGPT a lot. So I want you to just I'm explaining this to you to just make use of this AI for your freelancing career. Either any service you are selling, you can just ask this AI to write you a script, a content based on a uh, you are selling. Maybe you are selling a product. You want this AI to give you like a sales copy on how to sell your product based on the particular niche. So let me just ask this AI to write me a sales copy. Write me a sales copy to sell my Shopify. So let me a sales copy to sell my let's say cosmetic product. So can you see it's writing me this? So this is what this AI can do. So now to get more video on how to use this AI more, subscribe to my channel, David Roy, and stay tuned for more videos. And as well, I'll be uploading more videos on how to make money online in this 2023. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, David Roy.